Hello guys, it's Bella and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing kind of like a review of the new Too Faced Tutti Frutti collection, which just launched like an hour ago, I think. But when I upload this, it'll probably have launched like a day ago. And I'm so excited for this launch. I'm so excited to try this collection and for this video. And I have tried actually a lot of the products because if you don't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I actually just got back from Mexico with Too Faced for the launch of this new collection, which will not change my opinion on any of the products or anything. You guys know this. I don't care about PR lists or, you know, trips or anything like that. I will always be 100% honest about things that I try on my channel. But I do want to say that the trip was honestly so insane, and I am so incredibly grateful that I got to go on this trip. Everyone there was so beautiful. I actually went alone. I don't know if you guys have seen my previous videos where I talk about my anxiety, but I very rarely, well, I never go to events, and I very, very rarely go on like trips or anything like that. Because of it, I hardly even leave my house, to be honest. But I've been getting so much better recently. It's been like really good. But I decided to go on this trip alone, and I emailed them and I was like, yep, coming alone, because once I've emailed them, you know, like it's locked in, can't cancel. So I was like, this could just be like a really good opportunity for me to step out of my comfort zone and meet new people, go somewhere alone, which will force me to, you know, speak to new people and come out of my shell a little bit. And it was so incredible. Everyone there was so like just amazing. Everyone was so nice, so welcoming. The Too Faced team were so incredibly accommodating, and oh my gosh, like I was spoiled rotten. The place was beautiful. Everything was just incredible. I wish that I was still there. So yeah, I just wanted to say that, and I'm proud of myself for going alone, but honestly I had nothing to worry about because everyone there was so like incredible. I never felt uncomfortable or awkward or lonely like once, not even for a second. So yeah. Anyway, moving on, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I actually have used the eyeshadow palettes before, and I know they don't have fallout. So normally I always do my eyes first, but I'm actually going to do my base makeup first today. And I'm going to start off with this. If you can see this, look at this. Do you see how there's like nothing in there? Because I spilt it everywhere. Which would happen to me, and so there are two highlighting drops in the collection. These are the Sparkling Pina Colada drops, which is like a champagne-y color. And then we have the Sparkling Pink Grapefruit, if you can see this, how it's all through there. So it actually looks clear to begin with, like this, if you can just see the tiny amount that there is in there. It's like clear, and then you shake it, and then it like goes the color. Today I'm going to be using this under my foundation. On the trip, one girl actually wore this like on her chest and her collarbones, and it literally looked incredible. Because if you see that, it's kind of like glittery. It's definitely something that I would put like along my collarbone here. I don't know if you probably can't see it from there, but it's like I'm literally glowing right now. For foundation, they came out with the Do You Full Coverage Fresh Glow Foundation, which is infused with juicy watermelon and fresh cucumber. There are 20 shades in this foundation, which I will swatch for you guys on the screen so you can see them all from darkest to lightest. So I'm just going to try and find out what shade is mine. Oh my goodness, that smells so freaking good. Okay, straight up, what I've figured out from just these swatches, do you see how much that has oxidized? I'll put the original shade next to it so that you guys can see. So this is Almond. That's what it looks like to begin with, and that is what it looks like after like, you know, 30 seconds. That there is what it looks like when you first put it on, and that's what it looks like after about a minute. So yeah, it oxidizes quite a lot. I'm gonna go in with the shade Almond. So this is supposed to be long wearing, a dewy finish, hydrating, brightening, and full coverage. Oh, I love that. Wow, let me zoom you guys in. Do you see how nice that is? Oh, I wouldn't say it's full coverage, but I'll try and put another coat on and see if I can build it. But it's very like natural and dewy, and it's so lightweight, like it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything right now. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit more on and see what kind of coverage we get. It is actually really hydrating, like it says on the packaging. What's the time right now? Okay, it's currently 11:20 a.m. so I will wear this for the rest of the day as well and let you guys know how it holds up. Holy shit, I love this foundation. Are you seeing this? Okay, so before I go in and set my face, I'm gonna go in with these. These are the highlighting sticks. There's two in the collection. This one is in the shade Strawberry Sparkle. I love a good pink highlighter. I always choose a pink highlighter. And we also have the shade Pink Lemonade, which is this one. And I think I'm gonna go in with Pink Lemonade today because I actually used this one while I was over there. It is beautiful. And I'm gonna blend it in with my finger. So this is like a champagne color, if you can see there. And then on another angle, there's like a lot of pink reflex in it. So if I turn this way, it like looks pink. Oh, so pretty. Oh, mamacita. That is beautiful. Okay, so I just went ahead and powdered my T-zone, and now I'm going to go in with bronzer. So we have the Pineapple Paradise Strobing Bronzer. This one is in the shade Pineapple Sun. It's the only one, I believe. So pretty. So it's like a really, a bronzer with a sheen to it. I'm always so curious to see how bronzers will look on me when I have no fake tan on, because I only have one bronzer that doesn't look crazy on me or too orange or too dark when I am pale. Oh, I love that. Too Faced always has the best bronzers though. I mean, let's be real. I like that it doesn't go on too heavy as well. I feel like with bronzers and blushes, it's a lot better to be able to build the pigment up. This bronzer is beautiful. Everything in this collection is super glowy, so I just feel like it's such a nice, radiant bronzer, but it doesn't look like, I don't look shiny, you know what I mean? Next, I'm going to go ahead and go in with blush. There are 4 of these little blush duos. They're called Fruit Cocktail Blush Duos, and if you can see, all of them have different fruits on them. I mean, this is a Tutti Frutti collection, but they all smell like their corresponding fruit. So this one smells like cherry, and this one is called Cherry Bomb. The next one, this is my favorite one, is called Apricot in the Act. This one, I actually have footage of this literally falling out on camera. It was so sad because this one is like probably my second favorite, so like, ugh. This is called Strawberry. I like managed to save a little bit to like try them out. And then we also have the shade Pomegranate. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Apricot in the Act. I'm just gonna take the blush side. Blush is by far my favorite step of makeup. Do you guys love blush? What's your favorite makeup step? That is beautiful. I feel like it's really hard to make a bad blush though. I'm really feeling myself in this collection. Like I feel like my skin looks unreal right now. Next up, I'm gonna go in with the banana powder. So this is It's Banana's setting powder in the shade Banana Cream. And I mean, we all know how much I love a good banana powder on this channel. So very excited to see if this holds up to my standards. Yum. Oh, yeah. You see how bright that is compared to this? I'm gonna go back in with the Apricot in the Act Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo, and I'm gonna pick up the highlighter this time to highlight my cheekbones. Oh my god, look at that. That is so pretty. Time to move on to the eyes. So there are 2 products for the eyes. We first of all have, these have oil all over them. It's fine. We have 8 of these, which are basically liquid eyeshadows, liquid glitter eyeshadows. They are called liquid glitter eyeshadows. Also for the eyes, we have 2 eyeshadow palettes. This one is the Razzle Dazzle Berry eyeshadow palette, and this one is the Sparkling Pineapple eyeshadow palette. I used this one quite a bit when I was actually in Mexico. It's beautiful. I mean, I've never had like a Too Faced palette that I didn't like. Their eyeshadows are just unbeatable. They pretty much blend themselves, like they're so beautiful. I am yet to try the Sparkling Pineapple eyeshadow palette, so that's what I'm going to be using today. I mean, look at those palettes. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is this one here, which is called Island Queen as my transition shade. Once I have that shade down, I'm now going to go in with this darker brown here, which is just called Coconut Sugar, on a bit of a smaller brush. And then for the eyelid, I'm going to take this color right here, which is like a duochrome green and like blue. And this one is called Passports and Pineapples, I think. It's definitely more gold than I thought it would be. Going to grab my highlighter again from the Blush Duo and just highlight the inner corner of my eyes. There's this beautiful spray that smells amazing that comes with it. It's the Do You Fresh Glow Setting Spray. I do have a clip of me trying this and putting it on yesterday, but it broke. Nothing comes out. I don't know how I did it, but I broke it. So I'm gonna have to put it in a new spray bottle, I think. But it smells amazing. It gives the face just kind of like a fresh, dewy glow. There's no shimmer in it or anything. It's just a very, very subtle thing. Okay, of course, I'm also gonna go in with one of the glitter eyeshadows. This is the shade Sweet Spot. I love these. They're not too intense. I'm just gonna like kind of just pop it on. And then I just grab a flat brush. And the best thing about these glitters is that, you see how like when I open my eyes, like everything's gone? I have kind of hooded eyes, but this, it dries totally down and it doesn't transfer at all. It takes literally 2 seconds and then you're done. And last but not least for today, we have some lip glosses here. So these are just some, it's a comfort lip glaze, and there are 12 shades. We have, so some of these, most of them actually have a little bit of glitter in it, a little bit of shimmer to it. I personally am not one for metallic lipsticks, although this shade right here, Home Size, I've been wearing so much lately. These are so comfortable, and this one doesn't seem to have any sheen to it at all. I'll show you this one. Oh, and they smell incredible. My lips just look so juicy and luscious, and it's so comfortable as well. I have super dry lips, but this honestly feels like it's a lip balm. It's not sticky at all. It's incredible. I love this shade. The rest of the shades, I will admit, I'm not, you know, probably won't wear them. They're nice enough. I just personally am not into metallic shades, but I'll still do a lip swatch of all of them for you guys so that you can see what they look like and if you like them. But yeah. Okay, this one is the shade Grin and Bear It. The next shade we have is Dreamsicle. You know, this would look so good if you were like traveling somewhere hot, tropical, and you had like the most minimal makeup on, no eyeshadow, and then just mascara, and you were like super glowy, and then had this lip. I actually really like this lip as well. The next shade we have is Takes Two to Mango. The next shade is called Fruit Punch. Doesn't it look so funny when you've just got the bottom lip on? This as well would be such a nice shade if you just had super dewy, minimal makeup, no eyeshadow, and just mascara, and then this lip like, bam! Love that. Next up we have Totally Smashed. This one is called Ruby Ripe. This will be a nice like Christmas color. Next up we have the shade Show Me Your Coconuts. My lips are so red now, I feel like this is changing the color. Okay, this definitely looks a lot more red because my lips are super red. Sorry about it. This shade is called Yummy Rummy. I'm not vibing with this color. Now we have the shade Plum Crazy. I also don't really like purple lipsticks. They're just not my thing. They don't suit me. Berry lipsticks. No. Next up we have Who Gives a Fig. feel like an evil witch in this color. Okay, and last but not least, for my poor little lips, this is Blew You Away. Okay, wow. That's different. So I am gonna leave this on for the rest of the day, this makeup. What's the current time? It's 1 p.m. So I'm gonna leave it on for the rest of the day, and I will check in with you guys a few times to let you know how it's holding up. Okay, so I'm checking in. It is currently 5:38 p.m. so it's been like 4.5 hours, and I'm just about to go to a friend's house, so I thought I would check in before I go and then check in again when I'm back. But at the moment I actually think that this makeup is holding up really well. Like I said, the eyeshadow doesn't transfer the glitter because it just like dries down. It's amazing. And yeah, the rest of the makeup I feel like looks really good. I'll see you guys when I'm home. Hey guys, so it's currently 10:43 p.m. and I just got home from my friend's house, and I'm sorry if the mic sounds shit because my microphone died, so you know. But yeah, I feel like the makeup held up super well. My under eyes are like a little bit dry, but I'm not even wearing Too Faced products under my eyes. I'm just wearing like normal concealer and powder under my eyes. But everything else I feel like held up so well. My bronzer, highlighter, the foundation, everything. A+ for me. So that brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up for me, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!